Hey Jim, it's Anita from Mercedes-Benz in Manchester. We spoke this morning and you have some questions about your Metris, so I'm going to go over just a few things for you and show you how to reset that attention assist button. You've probably already been familiarized with everything here. You've probably figured that out. But all your direct buttons here will take you to radio, telephone. If you haven't already figured out how to set up your Bluetooth with your telephone, please let me know. I'd be happy to set that up with you. You can go into your system settings and you navigate with these buttons here and select by pushing the middle. So you can change. If you wanted it to speak to you in German, you can choose that, but most people just choose something else. Like yours, this one says no navigation when you push the navigation button. That can get installed. I will check on that for you to see if your van is equipped to accept that. And then there's your radio. Now everything on your driver display here in front of your steering wheel can be changed with these buttons down here, the ones that have like a little page, which is your menu, and then the reset button. So if I push the page button, it's going to take me through how many miles left until I need gas or diesel, whichever way your car goes, how many miles left, what the battery is charging, what your speed is digitally, so if you wanted to keep track of that visually, you could set it up for that, your temperature, engine temperature. You've got no messages. The next service for this particular vehicle is in 14,000 miles. Yours would say whatever the interval is until your next one. Tire pressure is good. Settings I can change by pressing my R button. So I can go language. And right here is what you want to get to. So I pushed the R and it says attention assist activated. And you see your minus and your plus. That correlates to the buttons that are over here, minus and plus. So if I push one of those, I have now deactivated the attention assist and your little coffee cup has gone away. So you can just do that. You're not going to be bothered with that coming back on, because I know the kind of driving that you're doing would really kind of throw that off. If you wanted it to be active again, from this menu, you would simply press the plus or minus again, and it's going to be activated. So let me show you again how I got there. So here's your main screen in front of your steering wheel. I'm going to push the button that has the little menu icon until I get to settings. Where it says settings, I'm going to push R, and that takes me through my options in the settings. You'll get to the attention assist, go to your plus and minus button, simply press one of those, and your coffee cup is now gone, and that feature is deactivated. Hope this helps you out a little bit. If you've got any other questions, please just let me know. My direct line here is 603-792-2412. Thanks, Jim.